Welcome to Professional Certifications channel. If you or a loved one has been admitted to the hospital, it's important to know how to use the room safely. Today, I'll show you how to use call bells, bed controls, lights, safety rails, and basic room equipment, step by step.
1. Understanding your hospital room. Every hospital room is designed for comfort, safety, and quick access to care. Inside your room, you'll find a hospital bed, call bell system, side rails, TV, room lights control, nurse station phone or intercom, cabinet for belongings, sanitation supplies, oxygen and suction points, if needed. Each item has a purpose, and knowing how to use them helps keep you safe.
2. How to use the call bell. The call bell is the most important safety tool. It connects you directly to the nursing team. How to use it. Press the large button on the device. You will hear a beep or see a light. Nurses are alerted at the nursing station. They may speak through intercom or come immediately. When to use it. Pain. Help to the bathroom. Feeling dizzy? Medication concerns. If equipment is not working. Any emergency. No issue is too small. Please use the call bell. That's what it's for.
3. How to use hospital bed controls. Hospital beds are electric and designed to support treatment and comfort. Controls include raise lower head section, raise lower leg section, raise lower the entire bed height, emergency flat button, lock unlock controls. Please move the bed slowly and avoid sudden adjustments. If you're unsure, ask the nurse.
4. Using bedside rails safely. Side rails protect you from falls. How to use safely. Raise them when resting or feeling weak. Lower them only when getting out of bed with help. Never climb over the rails. Ask the nurse to adjust them. Side rails keep you safe. Use them wisely.
5. Using lights, TV, and room controls. Every hospital room has a control panel for comfort. These may include room lights, reading lights, TV remote, AC controls, window curtains, USB or charging ports. Most controls are located on a small panel near your bed.
6. Nurse station phone, intercom. In addition to the call bell, some rooms have a direct phone or intercom to contact the nurse. Use it for non-urgent questions, dietary requests, asking for linen, water, or support items.
7 safety tips for using the hospital room. To stay safe in the hospital room, follow these tips. Keep your slippers near the bed. Don't walk alone if you feel weak. Keep the floor dry. Don't unplug medical equipment. Inform staff about any hazards. Use side rails at night. Ensure call bell is within reach at all times. Safety is a shared responsibility.
Your hospital room is designed to support your recovery, comfort, and safety. Now that you know how to use call bells, bed controls, and room features properly, you can feel more confident during your stay. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.